Video show you how to turn on touch keyboard icon in taskbar. So guys, if you want to turn on touch keyboard icon in taskbar, so very easy. First you right click in taskbar area, click on taskbar settings. Scroll down, click on turn system icons on or off. Here option touch keyboard. So if you want to slash to on position, on, so slash to on position. If you want to off, so slash to off. If you want to turn on or enable, so slash to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on touch keyboard icon in taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.